Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the SmartDevil USB Desk Fan. It's a small personal desktop table fan with a possibility with strong wind, but a quiet operation. It's a portable mini fan for home, for office, for the bedroom, on a table and a desktop. It's possible to get this in black, in blue, in pink, and in white. Small but powerful. The size of the fan is 5.23 inches. Although it is a small, but the wind is powerful. It has 5 streamlined fan blades to reduce the noise, reduce wind resistance, and increase air supply area. This is ideal for home, car, office, desktop, camping, or traveling, and adjustable and easy to clean. It's a small, a light, and a convenient personal fan with 20-degree adjustable valve body. The wind direction can be changed as required. It can circulate indoor air and balance the room temperature. The rotating fan cover extends the distance of the draft shield. The Detachable design rotate counterclockwise to remove the mesh cover. Easy to clean, baby. And infinity variable of speed control knob. Unlike the traditional wind speed adjustment button, this fan adjusts the wind speed through a 180-degree adjustable knob. The wind speed changes smoothly with the rotation of the button. We can choose the most comfortable suite according to our needs. And we have a high compatibility USB power. The SmartDevil USB fan is powered by USB, and it's compatible with personal computer, laptop, mobile power, AC adapter, car charger, power packs, power banks, and other USB-supported power devices. USB fans saves the energy and protects the environment. This fan has no battery. That means it's lightweight, and you will need a power source to operate with this fan. It's a really cool looking thing because we have washable blades. We can easily remove the front fan cover and just use a clean cloth to wipe the fan blades and the dust inside. We have a powerful fan. It's powered with a high-quality motor. It provides a long service time and brings strong airflow to bring us a better cooling experience, and an angle adjustable 20 degrees pitch angle. We can freely choose to blow on our face or neck or body so we can calm down more quickly. And we have non-slip pads. The fan base has 3 rubber pads that can prevent the fan from moving and dropping, and effectively reduce the noise too. 3.3 feet USB cable, which is compatible with nearly all USB ports, and a host computer, a laptop, personal computer, a car charger hub, a power bank, a socket, or a charging plug, and easy to find the right angle, optimum wind speed. Low, medium, high, and so on. In a kitchen, for example, in a library, in the office, and it's portable because it's only 6.4 inches to 5.2 inches. That's a really cool fan, and that's a good thing for a personal quality of life. This is the SmartDevil USB Desk Fan. It's a small personal desktop table fan with strong wind, quiet operation, and portable mini fan for home, office, bedroom, table, and desktop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.